So guys, in this video, I am going to guide you through on how to make your own spray at home. Underarm spray with hydrogen peroxide. This is dollar store 3% grade hydrogen peroxide. This is baking soda. Baking soda is different from bicarbonate of soda because a lot of you guys will come and want to know what is the difference between baking soda and bicarbonate of soda. So this is only $1 and this is about $2. So with $2 and $1, that's $3 can lighten under your arm. If this video is going to interest you, stay here. Let me share with you guys an amazing tricks that you, your husband, your entire household, your daughters, your sons can use to brighten under their arms. So let's dive right into the video. Quick and easy.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her.
Hello everyone, happy weekend, good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you are tuning in from. Welcome to another episode of my weekend self-care. So today I will share with you guys something that I have been using to lighten up my underarm. Very quick, like it's quick that you can never imagine. It doesn't involve a whole lot of protocols. You can do that and dress up and off on your door, just out of the door. Yes, winter is winding down. We're beginning to wear spaghetti hands and we need to look good, right? You don't want to open up your arms and then some, you know what I mean? Like, you don't want to open, like raise your hand to wave bye-bye and then under your armpit looks so unpleasant. So I will share with you guys what I use. So when you look over here, this is no photo trick. You can see that this side is a little lighter than this side. Can you see that? Oops. Is dark. Did you see that? Take a quick look. Yes, it's lighter than this one. Here, look at it properly. This side is lighter than this side. So let me share with you guys what I have been doing for the past 3 days, and you guys can go ahead and do that. Very, very cost effective. You need to pick up hydrogen peroxide, the spray one from the dollar store or from Amazon. I don't know where it's open and where it's closed right now. This is only $1. It has the spray neck. Make sure you are buying the spray one, and it's only 3% hydrogen peroxide. And then you need to get your, of course, your baking soda. Almighty baking soda is there to lighten up your skin and any other skin pigmentation. You're gonna take about half teaspoon of baking soda and put it into hydrogen peroxide and shake. These, all you need to do is after you have a shower, you take this and you spray this under your armpit. Even if you forget to wear your deodorant, it is going to conceal the odor. Baking soda is used to make deodorant. So if you forget to wear your deodorant, don't worry about that. Take a shower, spray this under your arms every now and then. Let this become your deodorant. It's going to help to brighten up your underarm as time goes on. And now Another thing I want to share with you guys is be very wary about the kind of deodorant you use, because most of the times after we treat our underarms, we go back and we start using the same deodorant that usually causes our skin to have dark pigmentation. Don't be ashamed of that. It's very common. Black people have so much melanin, and it's very easy for our underarm to get darker, but you can also worsen that by using the wrong deodorant. This video is not a paid video, so I use Tom's. What happens is that whenever you go to buy your deodorant, try at least to read the ingredients. If they are very tiny that you can't read them, do your research at home before you leave the house. Any deodorant that contains high percentage of ammonia is going to discolor under your armpit. So Tom's, I find that Tom's is very, very good, and also Dove is also very good, and also Advanced and Hammer. All these contains very minimum ammonia in that. So go ahead, get your baking soda, get your hydrogen peroxide, and start living life, and start getting ready for that summertime. All dark underarms gone. Dark underarms gone. Did you guys see? I am so excited. Can you tell? Yes, tell that one side is darker than the other side. So guys, leave me your thoughts and your comments down below, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye for now. Remember to subscribe and share. I will see you. Bye.